this is Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. We're bringing you an intake manifold today. We wanted to show you how we're using glass bead in order to clean up and restore this product. And so this process is really good for anyone who's rebuilding, restoring, or just your everyday maintenance. When you're using water and glass bead, this is going to be really good for smoothing your ceiling surfaces, cleaning that up so that when you're ready to rebuild, it's going to give you that nice tight seal. It's not going to erode any material, so it's going to leave everything intact. You can also clean threaded areas without removing material. So it's really going to be a lot better process than anything doing it by hand or any other process that we can think of. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos. If there's any content that you would like for us to put out, please comment below or reach out to us and let us know at our website at vaporhoningtechnologies.com. Also, you can follow us on Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like us on Facebook. And we really appreciate you watching us and following us. Thank you so much.